Hey Procraftinators, it's that time of year where Simon Says Stamp did their Black Friday Crafty Parcel Boxes. And yes, I gave in and I bought another one this year. So let's do an unboxing. I will take that off. I'm going to set this box aside and just take out each item one by one. All right, so I did get a Positively Everything tool. I'm kind of excited to try this out. A few videos ago, I used one of those like shelf liner things for an ink pad holder, and it kind of worked, but my ink pad still slipped around, so I'm excited to try this one out. All right, let's get in a little closer here. All right, so we have a Simon Says Stamp True Friend stamp set, and I do like florals, so another good one to add to my stamp set. Plus there are some nice sentiments here, like hello friend, friendship is made up of a million little things. Thanks for being a true friend, do all things with love, and you are braver than you know. There's a close-up of that. All right, so this one was kind of interesting. I have not heard of this name brand, Cats and Girls by Studio Light. I believe it's what it's called. Studio Light is the name brand. So I've not heard of this one. I thought this one kind of reminds me of a troll with the hair sticking up. All you 80s children out there. I thought this would be a fun one for an art journal page. It's got some texture type stamps. A stamp that says feline, and then like I said, this girl here. Give you a close-up there. Then the next one is by Trinity Stamps. This is Hang On. So it's got a girl that you can stamp. Whoop, camera going fuzzy there. A girl that you can stamp hanging on to a rainbow, a balloon, and then we got hang in there, hello, hang on to every promise of God. So that's a cute little stamp set. And we've got a rainbow stamp set here by Avery L, and it's called Rainbows. We've got some raindrops and some hearts there. And this would be perfect for an A2 card with the rainbow coming off the side. You make it rain rainbows. Wishing you sunshine, you make the world more colorful. Give you a close-up. My camera's not wanting to cooperate today with the focus. Sorry about that. And then we have a penny black die. It looks like we've got some kind of frayed leaves. And this is called Juniper. So I guess they're juniper leaves. I'm not good with my leaves and plants. Well, I could see that being pretty. All right, this one's going to be hard to see. Let me see if I can. All right, get that on some cardstock for you. We've got a heart with some butterflies in the middle, and this is Butterfly Love by Simon Says Stamp. Right, my box came with several background stamps, which I'm excited about. I don't have a whole lot of background stamps, so this one is called Basket Weave. It's got some nice texture going on there. So a good one to have in your stash. And then this one is called Circle Pattern, and it reminds me of bubble wrap. I think that one will be fun. And then this one is called Grid Play. Grid Play Grid. So that one could be fun. I could see that one on a masculine card, as well as the other ones that I showed you. And then this one I think is super pretty. This one's called Spring Flowers Background. And look at all the flowers, and I am totally a flower girl, so I can see getting a lot of use out of that one. Then we have a couple dies here. This one is Holy Stars. So I can see using that one on some Christmas cards. I'm hopefully done with my Christmas cards this year, so next year. This is Shimmer Flower, and this one looks like it is, yes, it's 2 pieces. So we got the inside and the outside. Looks like we got some stitching. And then we have a bitty birdhouse. My grandma and my mother-in-law love birdhouses. It's kind of convenient because my mother-in-law makes them and my grandma loves them, so works out well. I think this one is pretty. This is Folk Heart background. And then I have a 3D embossing folder, and this one is called Roseville Bouquet. Probably can see it better, design better if we flip it to the back here. I think that is super pretty. And then we have rainbow is my favorite color. So I can see a theme of rainbows in this box. So we've got the individual rainbow pieces here for 2 different rainbows. And then we have a line stamp that you could stamp several times in different colors and make a straight rainbow. We have I love you for who you are, you color my world, live colorfully, you make me happy, there's a rainbow of hope at the end of every storm. Rainbow is my favorite color and you are my rainbow on a cloudy day. Got some clouds and that kind of stuff too. Very versatile stamp set for rainbow lovers. And then we have a Good Sport Summer. So this one's got a lot of sports themed sentiments and stamps. There's a few birthday ones in there too. I will not read all of these because there are a lot of sentiments in that one. I know it can get boring sometimes to read all the sentiments, so I'll just go slowly here. And you can pause if you would like to read them. So I don't have a ton of masculine stamp sets, so that one will work good for masculine cards. And then this one is Lavender Garden. And I don't have any lavender stamp sets. And so I'm pleased with that. My husband actually proposed over where we grow lavender in this state, so I kind of like that. Now I have a lavender stamp set, or one that has lavender in it. It's not all lavender. And I really like the drawing of this one, the very sketchy kind of look. This is Garden Greetings, and the fonts are pretty too. And I like stamp sets that provide a variety of greetings. Like this one's got sympathy and birthday, sending hugs, love you, that kind of stuff. Thinking of you. I like a variety of greetings. So I think that one will get a lot of use. All right, now we have some Tim Holtz Ideology craft stock. So in a variety of reds and a brown there. There we go. I do like his metallic craft stock, so I have a feeling that I will also like this craft stock. And then I got a little bag with some paw prints and snowflakes, like a little pencil case. Let's see, inside there. So that's super cute. All right, getting down to the last few things here. And then I got some square sequins. I don't know that I've ever seen square sequins before, so those are kind of fun. And then they included one of their mini ink blending tools. If I can get my camera to focus, there we go. I do like these smaller ones. I have quite a few bigger ink blending tools, brushes, so I do like having more smaller ones. Then we've got some distressed crayons. I only have some metallic distressed crayons. I have some Marvy crayons, so these will be good to add to my stash. Then I got an Avery L pigment ink refill in Fog. I don't have any Avery L ink pads, but you can use these for like watercoloring and such, so that's no big deal. I have some embroidery floss in white. And then last but not least, we have some distress embossing glaze in the prize ribbon color. So that is all the stuff that I got in my box. You'll have to let me know if you think all of this stuff was worth it for the, I believe it was $65, $60, somewhere around there. I will have to put that information in the description box below because I cannot remember off the top of my head. And if you got the Crafty Parcel box, let me know what you got and if you thought it was worth it. As always, have a great day.